How to use Browserstack for cross-browser testing. Browserstack is a cloud-based testing platform that enables developers to test websites, mobile applications across various browsers, operating systems, and real devices without the need for physical infrastructure. So for example, if you made an app or a website and you want to test it on a specific browser and device, and you don't have that device, you can test it through Browserstack. So upon going on to browserstack.com, click Get Started for free. I just chose an account, and there you go. Now we're gonna focus on the websites or web apps. Live is a manual testing feature that allows real-time interactive testing on various browsers and real devices. Automate is a tool for running automated Selenium, Appium, and other framework tests on multiple devices and browsers in parallel. And Perky is a visual testing tool by Browserstack that captures and compares screenshots to detect UI changes, ensuring consistent design across different versions. So for example, your website is gonna look differently on different monitors, on different resolutions. So this is useful to check how it looks like. Now let's go live, and just myself. And here you can select a browser or device. Now if you pay for a Browserstack subscription, you get Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Internet Explorer, Opera, and on iOS and Android real devices. But here, since this is our first test and it's on a free account, we only have these two options right here. So the iPhone 13 mini is, of course, a phone, and the Mac OS is PC software, or as Apple calls it, MacBooks. So let's go to the phone, and here you can enter your URL. Now, just as an example, I'm gonna go type in YouTube. You can test any website URL. Or if you want to test a local or privately hosted website, click here. So click Let's Go. And here, as you can see, you see the interface of an actual iPhone 13 mini. And it's gonna open YouTube on it. And here you can see Browserstack is really pushing the fact that we are testing this on an actual real device somewhere in their headquarters. So you can actually interact with this phone in real time. And this is what it will actually look like on the iPhone. Can we go to the home page? No. It would be funny if we could. So let's go to the accept all. And here we can search anything. Type in hello. And this is how fast this website is running. It's real-time capturing this website on an actual iPhone 13 mini. And there you go. That's how to use Browserstack for live cross-browser testing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.